Hello, this is Yon Moguram. I think the thing you're most curious about is the price. Tasman is released in a total of 4 trims, and the most basic model is the Dynamic, which starts at 37,500,000 won. There have been a lot of guesses about how much the Tasman would cost, and some even expected it to be over 50 million won, but I think it's better than I expected. The Tasman starts at 37,500,000 won below 40 million won. The mid-level advanced trim is 41,100,000 won, while the top-end extreme model is 44,900,000 won. And the model specialized for off-road is the X Pro. It offers unique features exclusive to the X Pro, and its price is 52,400,000 won. So, what do you think about the price so far? It's better than I expected. No, it's too costly. Reactions will vary. Alright, then let's check what information is included in the official materials released today. Kia has revealed the detailed specifications and prices of the Kia Tasman on June 12th. Starting tomorrow, the 13th, they will officially begin taking orders. If you urgently need a vehicle, it's best to place your order as soon as the system opens. If you know a sales representative at a dealership or showroom, call them and ask to submit your order as soon as the system opens. That's the fastest way to get your new car. Tasman's trims come in 3 types: Dynamic, Adventure and Extreme. They're categorized this way for off-road driving with specialized driving modes in addition to the design. The X Pro model is operated separately. The prices are Dynamic at 37,500,000 won, Adventure at 41,100,000 won, Extreme at 44,900,000 won, and the off-road specialized model at 52,400,000 won. The high-end Extreme trim was 44,900,000 won, and the off-road specialized model was 52,400,000 won. The price difference between the base trim at 37,500,000 won and the high-end Extreme trim at 44,900,000 won is approximately 7,400,000 won. That's interesting. You can see that the difference between the high-end trim and the off-road trim and the difference between the high-end trim and the base trim are almost the same. Now let's take a look at the details. The Tasman released in Korea has a gasoline engine. The good news is that instead of an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, it's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, producing 281 horsepower and 43 kgfm of torque. The fuel efficiency is 8.6 km per litre. This figure is based on 17-inch wheels and without the built-in cam applied. And for Tasuma, towing capacity is important, and it can tow up to 3,500 kilograms. Of course, towing modes are provided for towing. Unlike other vehicles, off-road vehicles have an air intake system installed on the upper side, inside the front fender, to prevent water from getting into the engine while driving off-road. It provides the ability to cross shallow rivers or streams up to 800 mm, which is 80 cm. Tasman basically has terrain modes like sand, mud and snow in its 4-wheel drive system, and it also offers an auto terrain mode. The X model's off-road driving features provide about 28 mm, just under 3 cm, of additional capability compared to the basic 4-wheel drive model. The height from the ground to the body is 252 mm. In addition, all-terrain tires exclusive for off-road are provided as standard. And since one of the wheels can get stuck during off-roading, an electronic differential gear, e-locking differential, is provided to help you get out easily by controlling the differential. XTRACK assists with low-speed driving using engine torque and brake hydraulic pressure, while rock mode is optimized for rough mountainous terrain. And if you're a serious off-roader, you need to check what's on the road surface in real time. There's a ground view monitor function that shows you the area beneath the vehicle. You also need to check the temperature of the engine, transmission and oil through the vehicle's cluster and infotainment system. These features are also available in the X Pro, which is specialized for off-road driving. In terms of convenience features, it has so many amenities that it's hard to compare with other pickup trucks. It comes with a Harman Kardon Premium Audio System (CCNC) and a panoramic wide display based on CCNC that allows you to wirelessly update the controller in real time. The dual wireless charging feature and the table function in the middle of the center console were also impressive. And the second row of the Tasman offers a reclining function, but this reclining is a bit different from what you might expect. It's called sliding linked reclining. Normally when you think of reclining seats, the seat bottom moves forward and backward, which is called sliding. There's usually a separate reclining function that lets you adjust the seat back, but the Tasman has cleverly overcome the spatial limitations of the cargo area. When you pull the seat forward, the seat back naturally reclines backward. Conversely, when you move the seat backward, the seat back comes forward. In other words, the sliding and reclining functions are linked together. Other pickup trucks don't have this kind of feature, and in fact most pickups don't even have a reclining function. A wide open hinge that allows the rear doors to open up to 80 degrees has been applied. You might think this isn't a big deal, but actually this feature was first introduced in the Palisade. The wider you can open the door, the easier it is to get in or load your luggage. The Tasman's loading space was unveiled, but only its capacity was disclosed. The length is 1,512 millimeters, the width is 1,572 millimeters, and the height is 540 millimeters, providing a space of 1,173 liters, according to the Verband der Automobil Industrie standard. It can carry up to 700 kilograms. With this 700 kilograms, it's almost on par with the mid-size pickup trucks you might be thinking of. When you think of pickup trucks, you probably think of vehicles like Chevrolet Colorado, right? It's similar to that vehicle as well. Parts are available that can enhance the storage space's utility, and they are crucial. They plan to offer a variety of genuine customization products, such as single-decker and decker canopies, sports bars, bed covers, sliding beds, and side steps. If you buy a pickup truck, I think it's really important to find enjoyment in making your own unique pickup truck with various accessories. Kia is going to greatly expand these options through the Tasman. For example, in the United States, which is the country of pickup trucks, each pickup truck has more than 200 different types of accessories available, and you can even buy these accessories through overseas markets. Now that the Tasman has been released, it looks like a wide variety of accessories, including driving-related accessories, will finally be available in Korea as well. I think you already know about the latest features of the Tasman. A quick skim reveals features like steering wheel grip detection, smart cruise control, and navigation-based smart cruise control, the last one only available in domestic vehicles. Especially features that can automatically reduce speed in safety zones or during cornering are possible because it's a domestic manufacturer, allowing for better integration with the navigation system and more stable driving. Features like Highway Driving Assist II, Lane Keeping Assist II Rear, Parking Collision Avoidance, and Driver Forward Attention Warning Camera are provided. And it has been upgraded to built-in cam II+. The remote smart parking assist feature is also provided. Since the vehicle is quite large, if you're driving with your family, the bigger the vehicle, the more helpful this feature definitely becomes. And there are also programs in place to reduce the purchase burden for Tasman contract holders. Delivery is until June this year. It's not a contract. For individual and sole proprietor customers who receive delivery by June this year, in the first year, you only pay the interest, not the principal and interest. There's also the 365 light installment program, a 2-year deferred installment plan with equal principal and interest payments. Customers who sign a contract in March receive a 100,000 won contract deposit coupon. We also provide assistance on this channel when you purchase a new car. We help with new car purchases, long-term rentals and leasing. If you're someone who trusts Jon Motgrim and plans to make a purchase, I'm not suggesting you buy based solely on the banner, only proceed if the conditions are truly favorable. It might be good to check it out together. Now that the vehicle's price has been revealed, test drives will probably start soon. I've shared reviews of various pickup trucks, and now I'm going to quickly prepare a test drive video to show you what strengths Tazman, made by Kia, has. To get the next video automatically, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks! If this was helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe and turn on notifications to get accurate new car information quickly. Thank you.